해놨잖아. 떡볶이만 찍어갔어. 내가 해놨잖아. 반들반들해.
Tteokbokki is a popular Korean street food made of chewy rice cakes cooked in a spicy, slightly sweet gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, sauce. Sometimes fish cakes, boiled eggs, or ramen noodles are added. Gimbap is a Korean food consisting of steamed rice and various ingredients such as vegetables, egg, and sometimes meat or fish, all rolled in a sheet of dried seaweed and sliced into bite-sized pieces. In the heart of Gyeongju, the ancient capital of the Silla Dynasty, there are two major traditional markets, Seongdong Market and Jungang Market. Seongdong Market, located near the Gyeongju Cultural Center1918, formerly the old Gyeongju Station, was established in 1971. Today, it's considered a must-visit spot for travelers thanks to its wide variety of street food and long-standing, beloved eateries. Among the many food options, the burdock root gimbap and Korean-style buffet are especially popular. Before the pandemic, visitors would line up to get a taste. With many of Gyeongju's major tourist attractions nearby, visitors can enjoy not only delicious food but also the rich history and sights the city has to offer. Tteok. Tteok is a traditional Korean rice cake made by steaming, pounding, or shaping glutinous rice or rice flour. It comes in many varieties and can be sweet or savory, depending on the ingredients and preparation method. $1. It's around 6 p.m. right now, and many shops have already closed for the day. Shark meat. In this region, it's called dombeki, a traditional local delicacy. This is tteokbokki. Japchae. Japchae is a classic Korean dish made with stir-fried glass noodles, mixed with a variety of colorful vegetables. If you're up for something spicy, try this tteokbokki. It packs a punch. Japchae. burdock root kimbap. The burdock kimbap here at the market is also quite famous. Korean fried chicken. Kimchi. Semi-dried pollock. Flounder. Here's a Korean-style buffet in the market. Rice and soup are served separately. The soup was especially delicious. The whole meal costs around $6.